Identify the organism X and Y and select the disease caused by the organism that belongs to the same group as X and Y. So here we can see organism X is a bacteria while organism Y is a protozoa. I'll just write here, okay? Organism X is a bacteria and organism Y is a protozoa. Okay? So, typhoid, pneumonia, tuberculosis, these are the diseases that are caused by bacteria, while dysentery, malaria are the diseases that are caused by the protozoa. Okay, polio. Here, polio, common cold, chickenpox, all these are caused by viruses, right? So, X being bacteria, Y being protozoa, our correct answer will be option number A. X bacteria causes typhoid and Y protozoa causes dysentery. Question number 37. The couple shown in the given image belongs to which state? Kerala, Maharashtra, Nagaland and Karnataka. So here we can see these are the tribal people, right? This traditional attire of this tribal people is belongs to people of Northeast, particularly from Nagaland. Okay, so our correct answer is option number C, Nagaland. Question number 38. P is a matter which has a definite volume but not definite shape. P could be nitrogen, eraser, milk, D, water vapor. So as P has definite volume but not a definite shape, so we can say that P is a liquid. Correct? So liquid can be milk. Whereas nitrogen, water vapor, these are gases, while eraser is a solid. So our correct answer is option number C. Question 39. Which of the following was the first artificial Indian satellite? So we all know that Aryabhatta was the first artificial Indian satellite to be launched from India, right? So it is, the correct answer is option number D. Question number 40. Which among the following is a C type of simple machine as an axe? So here the options are A is a screw, B is a knife, C is a bottle opener and D is none of this. So we know both X and a knife are example of razors, right? Screw is an example of a modified inclined plane and the bottle opener is an example of the second class lever. So our correct answer is option number B, that is a knife with a sharp edge. Question number 41. Select the correct statement. Option A, limestone contains the mineral lignite. B, Guinness is formed from quartzite. C, bedrock contains the humus. And D, petroleum is also called as black gold. So, the main mineral present in the limestone is not lignite, it will be calcite or calcium carbonate that we can write as CaCO3. Guinness is formed from granite, not quartzite. Bedrock, it does not contain humus. Instead, it contains rocks. Okay, that we generally prefer as parent rock. So, petroleum is also called as black gold. Okay, because petroleum is obtained from the crude oil, and from the crude oil we can get many different things like kerosene, like diesel, petrol, naphthalene, okay, all of this. So it is called as black gold. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 42. Select the correct option containing communicable diseases only. A. Cholera, typhoid. B. Chikungunya, beriberi. C. Ricket, diarrhea. D. Typhoid and scurvy. So We will start from option A, cholera, cholera, chikungunya, diarrhea. These are all communicable disease. Okay. Whereas beriberi, scurvy, rickets, these are not communicable disease, but instead these are caused by the deficiency of vitamins or minerals. So here the option that indicates the communicable diseases are option number A. Question number 40B. Refer to the given figure of Earth. Identify P2S and select the incorrect option regarding them. So here in the figure, we can see the different layers of the Earth, right? So here P is the crust, Q is the mantle, R is the outer core, and S is the inner core, right? So here the option says A is P forms ocean floor, B Q rich in iron and magnesium, C R solid layer made of nickel iron mixture, and D is solid layer made up mainly of iron. So we know that the correct option is option number C, R, that is the outer core. This is a liquid layer that is made up of uh, nickel iron mixture. This will not be a solid layer, this will be a liquid layer. Okay, so this is our incorrect statement and the correct answer for this question. Question number 44. Which of the following activities will help to reduce both air pollution and water pollution? Use of electrostatic precipitors, closing industries that cause pollution, less use of insecticides and pesticides, and four is building dams. Okay, so here we know that use of electrostatic precipitors, it reduces air pollution, and building dams, it does not play any role in increasing or decreasing air or water pollution, right? So here our correct answer will be option number B. Why? Because if we close down the industries, it will reduce air and water pollution, because industries, they give out this harmful poisonous gases, and they also the dirty water is pollutes the river and the water bodies close by. And if we use less amount of insecticide and pesticides in our agricultural field, so it will definitely reduce the air and water pollution. So our correct answer is option number B. Question number 45. Which among the given safety rules should we follow on roads? Always walk on footpath, always obey the traffic signals, always fasten your seat belt while sitting inside a car, all of this. So yes, these all options are correct, and our correct answer is all of this, because when we are traveling or when we are on the roads, we have to follow all these safety rules to avoid accidents and be safe. Question number 46. So these questions from 46 are the questions from the Achiever section. So this section, it contains 5 questions and each question carries 3 marks each. Okay. Question number 46 says, Arathya made following groups of animals on the basis of their habitat, but made a mistake in each one of them. Identify the mistakes and select the correct option. Group A, parrot, crocodile, swallow. Group 2, squirrel, monkey, toad. Group 3, frog, rohu, guppy. And Group 4, penguin, polar bear, and sloth. So in group 1, we can see that parrot and swallow, these two are the aerial animals, while crocodile is a reptile. So crocodile is an odd one out. In group 2, squirrel and monkey, these two are the arboreal animals, while toad is an amphibian. So toad is the odd one here. In group 3, rohu and guppy. These two are the fish. These are the aquatic animals, whereas frog is an amphibian. So frog is odd one here. And in group 4, penguin and polar bear, these animals, they belong to the polar region, while sloth is an arboreal animal. So sloth is the odd one here, right? So here the correct answer is option number C, that toad of group 2 must be replaced with koala, right? Because koala is also a arboreal animal, right? So C is the correct answer. Question number 47. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct statement regarding it. So X is in between all these three circles. So X is a it is a type of muscle. It is voluntary in nature and it is striped. And Y is a type of muscle and it is striped, right? So here the striped voluntary muscle, it can be the X can be the skeletal muscle, right? And Y being involuntary and striped, it can be the cardiac muscle, right? So here the option says X could be muscle that controls the skeleton system. This is correct. Y could be the muscle that is present in our hand and feet. Wrong. X could be the muscle that controls functioning of the heart. Wrong. And D, Y could be the muscle that is present in the stomach that helps in the digestion of food. Wrong. So our correct answer is option number A. Question number 48. Read the given sentences and select the option that correctly fills any two of the given blanks. Number 1. Point under the ground where earthquake begins is called as epicenter. Dash is a dormant volcano. Dormant volcano. Mauna Kea, this is a dormant volcano. Hollow top of the volcano is called as the crater. And 4, dash occurs due to lack of rain. What? Drought, right? So our correct answer here is epicenter, Mount Popper is wrong. Vent, no, wrong. Focus, an earthquake, wrong. D is the correct answer. Mauna Kea, that is 2. Dormant volcano and crater is the hollow top of the volcano. D is the correct answer. Question number 49. Identify X, Y, and Z in the given table and select the correct option regarding it. X is having definite volume, definite shape, molecules arranged close to each other, and incompressible. So X can be any solid. I'll just write solid here. Y is no definite shape, no definite volume, no definite shape, molecules arranged close to each other, no, incompressible, no. So Y can be gas, and Z is definite volume, no definite shape, molecules are arranged close to each other, no, incompressible, no. So Z can be liquid. Okay, let's see the options. Wooden chair can be snow, no. Oxygen, no. A is wrong. B, newspaper, yes. Gel beard, no. Hydrogen, no. Wrong. C, ice, yes. Stream, yes. Liquid water, correct. So C is our correct answer. Question number 50, the last question of this worksheet. Uh, Refer to the given picture. Which of the following statements about the forces involved is or are correct? Box B is stationary, so there is no force acting on it. Box A is lifted due to a higher upward force applied to on it than gravity acting on it. And option 3 says the potential energy of box A is more than box B since it is at lower position, right? So here both the boxes are weighing 5 kg. So gravitational force, we all know, it acts on all the objects. So it will act on box X, which is stationary, and the more is the height of the object from the ground, the more is the potential energy it possesses, right? So hence box B is having more potential energy. So our correct answer is option number A. That is, option 2 is the correct one. Box A is lifted due to higher upward force applied to it than gravity acting on it. So option 2 is the correct answer. So this is the end of our sample paper. So I hope all of you have understood the questions that I intended to explain in this sample paper. I hope this will help you in your further preparation for Olympiad exams. All the best, all of you.